What's up, YouTube? So I want to get into this quick video about this about this wig that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. It's called KHIA. It's a front lace wig. It's human hair. It comes in different colors, as you can see. I believe I have just a natural color. But yeah, I wanted to just talk about this wig that I purchased from the hair store. It was $45, plus tax, and very light. I mean, look at the inside. It has the lace around the front hairline, and then of course you can see the wefts in the back where your scalp can still breathe. It's a shake and go wig. Real simple, quick hairstyle. I believe I curled out combed out the wave pattern that was in there. I just yeah. So right now, I just want you guys to see the top. I did a little bit of plucking, just a little bit, not a whole lot. So now just combing through, just trying to adjust it. It didn't have any combs in the inside too, like at the back, at the bottom, at the nape. It didn't have any combs. It has the adjustable band, so if you want extra security, I would suggest like sewing some in. But you guys, do not sleep on the beauty supply store hair wigs. Like, really, like, go in there and check them out and see what they have. Very affordable. Like I said, it's human hair, not synthetic. Nothing wrong with synthetic. This is human hair. Shake and Go brand. Color is natural color. Name of the wig is KHIA. It's a lace all around the front hairline, and I'm not gluing or around the front hairline, any of that with this wig. I want to be able to take it off at night. That's it, just in this natural straight stage. And so what I did is I went through and I put a couple of waves through it with a curling iron. Because I was going to a birthday dinner and I wanted to just do something, do more to it. So what I did pluck the parting a little bit more. I did do a little work around that. There go my boy Marshall. That's my dog, y'all. Me and him match with our blue on. So yeah, I really like the way, once I put a little curl in, I really like it either way, but I like the little curl. With this hair though, I do feel like you will have to tend to it like every day, like put some kind of curl in if you didn't want to wear it in that wavy stage. I didn't have any holding spray. I would suggest get some holding spray if you want to kind of stay. But with this hair, I feel like you will be like curling it or straightening it often. And yeah, I wanted to start going to the hair store and picking out wigs and hair from that. Because I just found like just trying to get bundles and order wigs offline is kind of like a hit or miss. You spend this large investment on something, then you get it, and it's not even like what you expected, or you have to do so much work into it for it to get to how you want it. Let me just spend $50 and get me a wig and see how I like it and work with that. Work my way up to, just a more expensive wig. Um, I don't know. I just hear lately, and then with everything that's going on with the recession, just different stuff. You want to still be looking good, but be on a budget, not break your bank. Not knocking people that are doing that, but just being wise about it. You still can look good and not just throw all your money away. And you still can go to the salon when need be. But this right here, I feel like a $45 wig from the hair store is in your in between going to the salon, or if you want to try something different. Yeah, but I am, here lately just thinking about, okay, you remember how we go to the hair store and buy pack hair, tracks, glue them in, just real like simple. It wasn't all this extra what's going on now in the beauty industry. But yeah, I just want to show different ways. This is a picture's the end result of it with it way, my boy Marshall. Yeah, so like, comment, share. Let me know how you feel about beauty store wigs.